Exciting hot news for Kawasaki fans has just come from Japan. The Kawasaki Ninja 1000 ZX 2023 motorbike launched on July 15, 2022. This new model will come with Kawasaki's latest design language, which is similar to the design we can see on the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-10R. Set to make a global launch in about a week's time, the new sportier motorcycle is said to come with a front fascia like the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-10R. However, this cool motorcycle will maintain the comfortable seating position as we know it all along. In terms of design, there has been no change by carrying the full fairing bodywork with a sharp and aggressive design. Even so, the hangout or ergonomics on this motorbike are comfortable because it carries the sport touring genre. Thus, the biker will not get tired when traveling long distances. In fact, the Ninja 1000 ZX version 2023 is whitewashed with a black base color, but some of the body panels are matte red. And the new color is able to make this motorbike appear fresher with the right portion. The 2023 version of the Ninja 1000 ZX is equipped with a 1043 cubic centimeters inline 4-stroke DOHC 4-cylinder engine with a liquid cooling system. With this engine, this motorbike is capable of spewing power up to 104 kilowatts, 141 PS, at 10,000 RPM and maximum torque at 111 Newton meters, 11.3 kg Fm, at 8,000 RPM. For technical specifications, this motorbike carries a bore measuring 77.0 millimeters and a stroke of 56.0 millimeters. Then the weight of the motorbike reaches 236 kilograms and the fuel capacity can accommodate up to 19 liters of gasoline. The new Kawasaki Ninja 1000 ZX engine will be the same as a 1043 cubic centimeters inline 4 whose output is regulated by an inertial measurement unit, or IMU. The IMU features advanced traction control and cornering ABS brakes among many other driving features. In its latest iteration, the 4-cylinder motorcycle produces an output of 142 horsepower, similar to that of the Kawasaki Z1000. However, it is unclear whether the new model will come with a higher or lower horsepower figure than before. Maybe we just have to wait for the launch date. A reliable source states that the model will get a revised power band for better power delivery. And smooth running too, with an emphasis on low and mid-range power and torque. Plus, the new motorcycle will comply with new emission standards in Japan, which are similar to Euro 5 certification. As for other new features, the upcoming Kawasaki Ninja 1000 ZX comes with a 4.3-inch TFT gauge cluster and a new seat that is perfect for motorcycles touring. Furthermore, this model will also drop the twin exhaust pipe and use a single pipe configuration. As for the chassis, the Kawasaki Ninja 1000 ZX 2023 model comes with a seat height of 32.8 inches and the stated weight is 520 pounds, 236 kilograms, with a full gas tank. With a launch date set for July 15, 2022, the 2023 model year Kawasaki Ninja 1000 ZX is reported to cost around 1,595,000 yen. This price is equivalent to around $11,700 US.